Follow these tips to deal with tinnitus. Even a mild case of tinnitus can be very distracting. If you're unable to learn coping or treatment methods and options, then tinnitus has the potential to drive you up the wall. Keep watching to learn ways you can cope with this condition. If you suffer from tinnitus, it is important that you not panic. When people constantly hear ringing in their ears, they just assume that there is something wrong with them. However, tinnitus is not only a condition that is usually temporary, but it is also a condition that is not serious. You may want to consider joining a support group if you suffer from tinnitus. Many people do not know that these groups exist, but they do, and they are there to help you. You will chat with other tinnitus patients, and you can all share tips and ideas with each other. Some people have found that seeking out cognitive behavioral therapy with a licensed counselor their tinnitus symptoms. This kind of therapy will teach you how not to focus on tinnitus. Your therapist can help you let go of your anger, fear and depression over having tinnitus, so that you can focus on living your life. You will be able to deal with it in a more productive way. It makes it hard to be happy when all you do is focus on your tinnitus. Visit your doctor for an ear cleaning if your tinnitus is bothering you. When you have an excessive buildup of wax in your ears, tinnitus can become worse, and this can lead to cotton swabs compacting against one of your eardrums when used. If you believe you might be afflicted with tinnitus, but you're over 50, you should ask your doctor to test you for Meniere's disease. This syndrome can afflict you with the same symptoms that tinnitus can, but is far more serious. Therefore, a diagnosis is important to help treat it before it gets worse. Stop and listen to your home to see what white noise you hear, then use it to help you to cover up the sounds in your ears due to tinnitus. For example, in your room, open the window to see if there's sounds outside that will cover over the ringing in your ears. There has been research done that shows that tinnitus may be an inflammatory issue. Implementing a diet focusing on fighting inflammation makes sense. This type of diet would include such foods as plenty of fruits and vegetables and other anti-inflammatory foods, such as salmon and flaxseed oil. When you are dealing with a condition that is as disruptive to your lifestyle as tinnitus, it is so important to keep a positive attitude. Although you may not see a solution yet, avoid giving in to feelings that you will never get better. Look to the future with a hopeful attitude, and always keep searching for a treatment that will give you some relief. The information you have just read should prove invaluable in your fight to deal with tinnitus. By implementing these tips, you are on your way to relief. Stay positive and you will increase your chances of finding a solution to your problem. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.